So we are going to install the Android head unit in this Hyundai Accent 2013. So before we start the electrical work, I'm going to remove the negative terminal from battery. So it's done. This is the new head unit we are going to place. It came with the trim. So we are going to open this up, remove the trim, and since this has a detector or sensor or some sort of airbag related thing, that's why I prefer to disconnect the negative power. Now let's try to open this up using this tool, the beautiful tool I got. So we need to try with the pry bar slowly, with the patience, making sure we don't damage it. Okay, so we got some head start. Once you get the edge, then it's much easier. See, now it came out. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove these screws, remove these 4 screws, put the new head unit, and then continue. So that is out, and I noticed the new head unit does not have these white notches. So I'm going to take them off from the existing one. Here they come off easily. Remove this duct part also. So these are small clips here. You just pry it open. Or actually there are these 4 screws. First let's open those. My apologies. So yeah, so able to remove it, so I'll put it away, the original one. So now the one with the unit, it looks pretty nice. So let's start putting it together. This will just push it and clip in. And now I am putting in the 4 screws, the white screws I removed from the side. So they are in, and I don't want to put this thing yet. I want to test it, make sure it works before I connect everything else. So it means I'm going to remove this now, so I can the screws. Now let's pull it out. Okay, so I have pulled it out. Let's see, what do we have. We have 2 connectors here. Just pull it and shake it a little bit. This is the antenna. This is the antenna. So I have, oh, this is for the XM radio. So this is for the XM radio. You just, there is a knob, you press it, and so this brown knob, you press it. The XM will be not connected with anything because XM won't work, and who needs XM radio? I don't want to use XM radio. Here is the original which came with it. So
should I stop or?
Okay, so I have connected the negative. It's time to check. Okay, it's turning on. Voila, looks like it's connected. Checking, making sure things are working. I haven't connected the backup cam yet. Let's do a quick setup. Settings. Looking for the camera. So here is the camera, reverse camera we have to install. So these are two USB cables. I'm going to run them through this part. So they are in the glove box. So let's start working on it.
Okay.
Pause.
Running.
I am running this cable for the backup camera. So one end is here. Now the other end I will run it through. So I'm just removing here and here. So the cable will come from the top, and then I need to remove this light. Okay. And I can start putting the trim back and this closing back, whatever this piece of rubber is. So there is a space here. If you can show the space, I am running the cable in that space. So I was able to run the cable through the trim space. Let me close everything else. So this is closed. We have the trim wire here. This goes here. Anji? Huh? So I have installed the camera here, drilled it through. The camera will go here, and the instruction says that both red wires need to be connected and connected with the 18 gauge. So here is the 18 gauge. So I will slice. Oops, I was going to splice it, but okay, if this is how it's going to work, then so I'll put electric tape around it. I will put some tape on the connectors too, so they don't get loose. Okay, so let's go back here. Now these two wires, they need to be connected with the reverse light. So let's bring them through here. So I'm running the cable through. This is the main cable coming. Yes, so the camera works. Alhamdulillah. So let's put everything. Now pretty much everything is connected. We just are going to put things back. So when I originally installed the USB cable, everyone puts it here through under the dash. They bring it up and put it here. But what I have done is I was not happy, so I took it out and I opened this one. This was just like this. I prayed open and I bought this USB extender like here. So I have extended this cable. I took off the original one which was there. It was a little bit tricky. You have to this white spot, it's hard, but this white spot inside, you push something with a screwdriver or something. There was a tab where I'm pointing my finger from inside. You push the tab out, and then this white thing will, or the metal will pull out. That's how you can remove it. So this is what I have done. So now we don't need to run the cable, everything is fine. I'll install it and then show you. Here it is, everything fine. So I have connected the phone with the new one here. It's charging, everything is fine. Now let's look at the Android Auto. Voila, Android Auto works. It was little bit tricky to get the Android Auto working in the beginning. So how it works is on these aftermarket Chinese, there is an app like T-Link 5 or something like that app. You click that and that's what it connects. So I have bought this interface, the new interface. So I have hooked that one and renamed it Android Auto. So the app is installed, it's attached, and this is how it works. So great. And this unit came with the extra mic, so I ran the wire through here when I was doing it, and put the extra mic for audio clarity. It works perfectly.